Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Google Chrome sync pause problem. So if you found this sync pause error on your Chrome, but you remember that you've already signed in into your Google account, but then when you try to open the Chrome, it says that the sync is paused. You can see at the top right corner my sync is paused. So how you can fix it, you can just easily do these steps that I'm going to show you, and this is 100% working. First, what you need to do is just click on this pause at the top, and you can see that I apparently not signed in, or Google Chrome has forced log out my account. So what you need to do to fix it is you can just sign in again to your account by clicking on this button. And in here, don't forget to enter your email or phone. Tap on next. And then just type in your password. If you forget your password, you can click on this. But I remember my password, so I'm going to just click on next. And just like that, now the sync is back on and the problem is fixed. You can see there's no pause in here, pause error. So that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks and subscribe. Bye.